I'm looking for a pocket watch. Pocket watch. Bam. Found you. I don't believe it. It's in perfect condition. That's mine. I wonder how it ended up on the site in the first place. Let's see what's the story behind it. This pocket watch was taken from the possession of the magician Pistachio, a well-known crook. He would use his magic to steal from banks, grocery stores, and old people. It's in very good condition and is a very rare item that dates back to as early as 1850. Woo! Well, I guess he wasn't that good a magician if he got caught. It's mine now. Alright, my precious. All I gotta do is place the bid and you'll be mine in a couple of days. And that's that. All I gotta do now is wait. Wait. What the heck is that? Hello? How the heck this watch get here so fast, man? I just ordered this like 5 minutes ago. I wonder how it works. Press this button. A magic pocket watch. No wonder it's so rare. Watch a little TV. Do I have a TV? I don't know. Let's see. This is an urgent message from Channel 5. There has been a string of robberies going on around town. Everything from electronics to cars to even mayonnaise. There are no clues left behind. If you have any idea who may be doing this, call the authorities immediately. We have more on this story at 5.
Come outside.